Ooh, turn my windshield wipers off. So I just got me a bagel from another one of my favorite places here in town. And I got me my strawberry orange juice, my Joshua tree, or just Joshua citrus, no tree in that. And I am heading back to town right now. And on the way, I'm just going to kind of film some of the areas from Arcadia to Port Charlotte, and I think I might stop into Punta Gorda this time, see what's over there, because I haven't been over the bridge since the storm. I'm going to make my way that way, and I'll see you when we get there. This area right here is for all the liveaboards out there in Charlotte Harbor, and then on the other side of the harbor as well. So I know there's a couple of them that were pushed up against the seawall over here, so I'm going to go over there and check them out. But first, let's check out Hurricane Charlie's. This was named after the other major hurricane that came through back in 2004 and wreaked havoc just like Hurricane Ian did, but it was a lot smaller than Hurricane Ian. The size of Hurricane Charlie fit in the eye of Hurricane Ian. That's how small Hurricane Charlie was compared to Hurricane Ian. And Hurricane Charlie was quick and a lot smaller, but it did a lot of damage. And Hurricane Ian was just an animal. It took up the whole state. That's how big that thing was. This is downtown historic Punta Gorda. We'll see how some of these houses fared. Surprisingly, a lot of these that I've seen did really well considering how old they are. Caution, park is closed. Well, shoot, there's people walking over there. We're gonna get in there. Boat that's washed up to shore right here. got a sailboat or a liveaboard, now's the time. There's